If someone had told me that in a few short weeks, Hiccup would go from, well, being, Hiccup to placing first in dragon training, well, I would have tied him to a mast and shipped him off for feeding gone mad. Today, he becomes one of us.
Be careful with that dragon.
It's not the dragon I'm worried about.
What are you gonna do?
Put an end to this. I have to try. Astrid, if something goes wrong,